Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on your Windows 11. The first thing I want you to do is just right click on your start icon and then click on settings. Now, once your settings loads up, on the left hand panel, come and click on system, okay? And you should see all of these options. And here, go to recovery and then click on reset PC, okay? You scroll down until you see recovery. And then under recovery options, click on reset PC. Okay. And then you should get this option to go ahead and restart now to do an advanced startup, right? Then once your PC restarts, you can either do a system restore and restore it to a point recorded on your PC if anything's corrupted, or you can do a startup repair as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.